guys, welcome back to channel Life Review. My name is Dave and today we'll be doing the unboxing of an Amazfit watch here. I'm really excited for this watch. This was their flagship watch before GTS 4 came out, and as a result the price of this dropped really low. I will tell you in a bit how much. But before we begin with this video, I have a message for you. Before we begin the video, we have a very small request. If you like our content, please support us by subscribing to our channel. It is a small click for you, but for us it means a lot. Thank you. Let's begin. So let me show you around the box first, then we'll go ahead with the actual unboxing. Amazfit GTS advanced biosensor, so all-round health tracking, 150 sport mode, slim and lightweight. All right, so let me tell you. Okay, it's very minimalist. I like this. Nothing written on the sides. There is a tab which will pull to open this up, so this is really nice. They have done something different. So coming to the back, let me show you. Maximum retail price of this was 18,999, that is 19,000, but during the discounts you can get this for around 8,999, so that is 9,000. But you have to keep an eye out. It's very rarely it comes down to this price. I got this for at this price, but you will have to keep an eye out for this one. Usually it sells for around 16,000 or something like that. Right now I think it's selling somewhere around 13,000 on Amazon. I'll put the link of that below. You can check that out if you want to. So net quality quantity is 1 unit. Okay, base charge, manual, imported, blah blah blah. So I think this is, country of origin is China, model name is blah blah. Okay, so this one is the Graphite black model. All right, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Let's see if I can do that. Okay. All right, so I'm not sure how this was supposed to go, but yeah, we always have our trusted knife, right? So let's do that. So while we open that, let me tell you a bit about this one. So this has heart rate sensors, SpO2 monitor, all the things. So female cycle this also has. Usually Amazfit watches has that. So 150 sport modes, inbuilt GPS, 5 ATM, water resistant, among other things. So I've got this out. Okay, so flap comes out, old fashioned box. Okay, and I hope this will slide right out. Okay, so right out of the box, up your game. So usually all the Amazfit watches has that. Let us bring this out. Get game right out. All right. Okay, this is something new. So it comes out like this, something like modular. Okay, so let me see what this is. Okay, so I think this is the charger, and it says like, yeah, take this out. It reminds me of Lego, right? Lego pieces. So let's see. So we have the charging base here. So this is how it looks. Usual Amazfit puck type, the base, and yeah, the usual one, but it will not fit the old ones. I remember the old ones pin out were a little bit inside. Let's move this aside, and this one has manual here. So how much manual have they given this time? Usually they give okay, not that much, just a small booklet. Nice. So let us move on to our star of this video. Okay, this is something like a band, manufacturer name, price applies only to India. Oh, so it has a buyback price of 0.35 pice. I have no idea whom to give it to get my 0.35 pice, but if someone of you know, please put that in the comment section below. All right, so nice rubber band. This strap is really soft. It has some texture to it, as you can see, and metal clasp, looks really premium. And let me see if I can open this. Okay, and this has a little bit of, for breathability purpose, so that your skin can breathe. So they have this texture here, and we have the sensors. Okay, that is nice. So the sensors are in this round that you see here. This one follows, I think, from the T-Rex 2. So generation to generation, Amazfit watches have the same type of sensor. So I remember T-Rex 1 that I have here. The sensor and the charger of this was all same with the first generation GTR and the GTS, as you can see. So same with this one. So quick release clamps here, so you can use your own clamps. I think this is 20 mm, and okay, the side is all metal. So this is 18 mm thickness, so really thin. and I would say this is surprisingly lightweight. Okay, let me just remove this also. So they have something called an ocean screen with really less bezels, but I can see the bezels there. And okay, so on this side simple black metal, on this side we have this crown. Okay, so this is something different. Let me tell you a bit about this crown. This is crafted from CNC, and this is haptic feedback. This is a linear motor. Apparently it has a really good haptic feedback, so I will test this out all in the review video. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. I will cover everything, the sport modes, how many sport modes they have, and everything. And okay, this side nothing else, and bottom of course we saw the sensors. Let us do the charger test, the magnet test. So let's see if it falls down. Some of the recent Amazfit watches, this was not good. Pop 2 it was really bad, it came right off. But usually Amazfit chargers have really good magnets, so yeah, really good. It is not coming out, so in case you throw it, it's separate matter. All right, another thing I just noticed, there is no Amazfit branding on the puck, the charging puck. Usually they have Amazfit written here, but yeah, okay, they have changed things. Okay, and this is the mic that you see here. All right, so another thing about this one, this has offline voice assistant, so built-in Alexa. In case you do not have internet, it will listen to your voice. For example, you will say that Alexa, open sports mode, maybe open running mode, so it will listen your voice and open that, so you do not need to tap it from there. So that is a really good thing. Okay, let me see if there is any juice in there, so we can have a look at the screen. So the screen is 1.75 AMOLED, and the reason is, yeah, there is something. So Amazfit branding when you first start it up. Let's see. So this is the new logo. Amazfit I think has gone through few logos in the past. This is the first time I'm seeing this. Also, this runs on Zepp OS. Okay, really nice. Yeah, right on cue. So Zepp OS, English and channel. Let's see if it works. Okay, and there is the crown, and the haptic feedback is really nice, and you can see lot of language support. And I'm really loving this linear motor. This is really nice. So we'll go with the English, and of course we have to scan this. Okay, I will set this up later on, not in this video. In the review I'll show you everything. So let me tell you a bit about the screen. So this is 1.75 AMOLED. This is the largest screen in the GTR. I think even the GTR 4 has a 1.75, and I preferred this over the GTR Mini for exactly this reason. The GTR 4 Mini, there is the latest Mini version, that Mini Amazfit watch, that has 1.65. The previous version had 1.55. So this is the biggest one, 1.75. So everybody loves a bigger screen, so that you can read more, little bit more of real estate. All right, so this is 60 FPS. The earlier watches had, I think, some lower refresh rate, but this is 60 FPS. And the watch faces, apparently this has 100 plus watch faces. So we will see all of those in the review video. I will test out the watch faces, I'll test out the sports mode, everything, a total detailed video. All right, so Amazfit branding here. Let's see in the about. So software version on all this is given Zepp OS 01. So this is the version 0.1. Of course, this will update to the latest one once I connect it. Emoji support. See factory reset, regulatory. So let me tell you about the Zepp OS, which was mentioned. So this new version of the Zepp OS has app support. So they say that they have a rich ecosystem, but till now they have 10 plus apps, mini apps on that. So but there is support for third party developers making new apps, and I think they have navigation apps, health apps, things like that. So I will go into all of these apps in the review, and I will tell you like which one is worth installing and which one is not. So that is a new thing about the Zepp OS, which I am looking forward to using. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.